everybody, welcome back to my channel. You feel me? It's your girl T. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, but with a little twist. If you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is at DolltUpT. I'm one of the people that I follow that I love, Leah J. This was basically, she let people pick out her makeup on Instagram, and I thought it was kind of dope. I thought it would be interesting to kind of recreate videos, see how I could do, see what I could pull off, you feel me, and let you guys pick my makeup. So if you helped me pick my makeup, thank you for voting, thank you for contributing, thank you for not being a lame, you feel me? You know, no shade, but shade.
Selfish motherfucker! Selfish! Nothing for me!
Anyway, thank you for helping me, guys. I put it on my Instagram with both of them, and I put it on my Facebook. If you're not friends with me on Facebook, Facebook is Tiana J. So I put it on all my platforms. I just want to tell you guys, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you're subscribed. And if you are subscribed, make sure you're hitting that notification bell just to let you guys know when I post new videos, new content, etc. Now that we got that out of the way, let's start the video. Let's get into this. This was Tarte Poreless and NYX Angel Veil Primer. So you guys picked unanimously the Angel Veil Primer, which is my favorite. I love this stuff. Drugstore brand. So I tried to keep it some high-end, some drugstore with this video, but this is a drugstore. This is one of my favorite holy grail products. If you are of a darker complexion, then it is gonna come off white, as you can see.
Hello again, bitch. You know what I mean? A bitch is bad and bougie.
You feel me? As you can see on my face right now, it is gonna come off white, and even when you rub it in, it is still gonna be a tinge of white, and that's okay, because you guys have to remember we are putting our foundation over this. So please don't stress if you guys feel like, you know, oh my gosh, my face is gonna look ashy. Don't worry about it, because my face looks ashy right now, but we gonna fix that, and I'm gonna show you how, okay? And this just helps, primer just helps to minimize any pores that you have and make your face a clean slate for your foundation. My eyebrows take forever to do. I'm super tedious with my eyebrows, so I'm gonna hop off camera to do them, and then I'll be right back. But if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I'm back and my eyebrows is done. The next thing that I do in my routine is I do concealer. So you guys had the option between NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer option of L'Oreal True Match, which is drugstore. It's big NARS. So I'm gonna be going in with my NARS concealer. And since I've already cleaned up my brows with the same concealer, I'm gonna be going in on my lid with this concealer. And I am actually in the shade Medium 2 Ginger. And I'm just gonna go underneath a little bit because I don't have too much like bags or dark circles under my eyes. Thank you, genetics. But I have a little bit, so I like to kind of, you know, go in just a tad bit. I'm gonna take this Morphe 536 brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And this just helps create a base for your eyeshadow, because if you have any discoloration on your eyelid or anything like that, it just helps to make it even. Always want to set your concealer with a powder. 2 powders I gave you guys an option on was my Dermablend by, oh wait, Dermablend by Dermablend.
Dumbass motherfucker. Bruh.
This is just an illuminating banana powder. And you guys also had the option of Airspun, which happens to be one of my favorite as well. This is definitely drugstore brand. You can find it at Walmart. That's where I got this one from. But lately I've been seeing them at CVS and a few Rite Aids. So if you guys are looking for something that's more affordable, check this bad boy out. Here, my blend. And I just pour a little bit into the cap like that, and setting in place the concealer that we just put on. We're gonna get started with the foundation. Now, you guys, the next one, you guys really went in on this Vogue. One of my favorites. I love this stuff. I really, really love this stuff. You guys, like, I know you guys be like, oh, that's cheap, but it really works. I love this. They have it for oily skin, dry skin, whatever skin, and they have so many ranges in this one. I really love this. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless because I do have oily skin. Another favorite of mine that I love this one too, but it's a little bit more on the pricey side. My girl Rihanna, my Fenty Beauty. They really have really good shade ranges in this one as well. As you guys, anybody who has this, you guys know. This is sold specifically at Sephora or Fenty Beauty, like the online store. So this is pretty pricey. I think it's like $45 if I'm not mistaken, but I did get this a while ago. You have to shake it up really, really good. It does have a little bit of oxidization to it, but I'm in the color 310 and this matches me pretty well. So yeah, my Fenty. I'll pump a few little drops around my face. This is my Real Techniques brush, and this is like holy grail for me. I love this brush. Sorry guys if I'm looking down. I have a mirror right here. So I picked the NARS again for me. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS, and I'm gonna go back and underneath my eye. But this time, I'm gonna take it down a little bit, across the top of my cheeks, just to give my face a more dimensional look to it. Cause nobody's face is just one shade. Oh my gosh, we have a whole bunch of highlights and lowlights in our face all around. So the concealer is to highlight, the lighter concealer, excuse me, is to highlight the points of your face. Okay, then I'm gonna take my Morphe E26 brush. This is the dual-ended brush, and I'm just gonna pat in the concealer. And I'm also gonna go in again with my Morphe M536, and I'm just gonna blend the rest of that out. So now we're going back in with the Dermablend, and we're just gonna set that concealer. And I don't like to set it for too long, so I'm gonna just sweep that powder off. But whatever you like to do, you guys do. If you want to set for longer than I do, then you guys can definitely do that. But I just know my skin, and I know what will work and I know what won't work. I had the choice again between Fit Me in the color Cafe, and you also had another choice between the Chestnut and ABH Cosmetics. That's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was really a mashup of the two. It was really a tie on all ends of the spectrum. So for the sake of, you know, keeping it low budget, I will use the Fit Me. This is also a drugstore found concealer, excuse me. And we're just gonna put that on the low lights of our face with the fluffy brush, and we're just gonna blend that out right here. And this is just gonna give some depth and dimension to your face. Now with contour, you always want to set it. Sorry guys, my shirt is rising. I'm going in with my BH Studio Pro contour kit, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. And I'm going back in with my fluffy brush just to set that contour. Next, you guys also had the option to pick between two lipsticks for me. So the two options were Ooh by ColourPop and Free Spirit by NYX. And you guys picked Free Spirit by NYX. So we're gonna go in with this. And I've never really used this color before, but I do like it. I think it's pretty fall color, and it's pretty for like holidays, which Christmas is coming up. So if you guys are looking for an affordable lipstick, I would pick up Free Spirit. You can get it at literally any drugstore. So I would say, though, your best bet would be CVS though. And it smells really good, to be honest. I don't know why I haven't used this yet, but I have so many lip glosses and lipsticks, it's insane. I picked between CoverGirl, I think it was called, what is this called? A Nudist Dream. And you guys also had the choice to pick between Ulta Beauty, their dual-ended lip gloss, Nude Nudes, but I was gonna use this color. And it's just basically a holographic topper. And like I said, this is very inexpensive, but you have to go to Ulta to purchase this one. This one you can get at any drugstore, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, whichever is closest to you. And this is a really good one. I do like this one. It is more of like a nudie color, like, you guys see that? And so it's more on the nude tone, but it really looks nice. So obviously you guys chose this one because I'm using it. But yeah, you guys chose this one. Which looks really good. Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. And this is really like the lip combo y'all picked. So I'm going to do my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back. I put my lashes on and I did my liner, and this is my finished look. Thank you so much for helping me pick out my makeup for the day. I appreciate y'all. I will be posting some pictures, cute little pictures, whatever. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're liking this video, giving me a lot of thumbs up, y'all. Like, I appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, you know, for booking your appointments with me if you do live where I live. And thank you just so much for all the love that I've been receiving lately. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Happy holidays. Christmas is literally right around the corner, and I will be trying to get out as many videos to you as I can. So please bear with me, you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.